Hello everyone. Let's practice a very typical LeetCode problems. It's called reverse nodes in K group. It's a very typical linked list problem, and it given us a linked list. It asks to reverse the nodes, like for every nodes in K in a group set of the K nodes, we need to reverse them. Let's take a look at the example. In first example, 1 and 2 are in a group. K is 2, so we reverse 1, 2 into 2, 1. And 3 and 4 are in a group, so we reverse them into 4, 3. And in this example, 1, 2, 3 is a group since K is 3. So we reverse 1, 2, 3 to 3, 2, 1. But for 4 and 5, there are only 2 nodes, but K is 3, so the problem asks us to not do any operation if in this group the nodes are less than K. Okay, so how to solve it? Like problem 24, there are 2 solutions. One is iterative solutions, one is recursive solutions. The follow-up here is us to solve the problem in O1 actual memory space. So we have to use iterative solution if we need to use O1 space. But here, personally, I prefer the recursive solution since it's much cleaner. Although it does not meet the requirement in the follow-up. But let's take a look at what's the recursive solution look like. Okay, so I'm assuming we have these nodes. Of course, there are some more other nodes, but I don't draw it here since it does not matter. Okay, first I have a help function called length. It returns the length of the linked list. Okay, next, in my main function, I return a DFS function. Takes 3 parameters. One is the head pointer, one is the length, one is K. Okay, this is counter case. As long as len is smaller than K, we can just return it immediately according to the problem requirement. Okay, then I have a local variable called tail. The tail now is head, but after the reverse, the tail will be tail node, right? So it's the current head, but it's also the future tail. Okay, next I define 2 local variables. One is preview, one is temp, set initialized to non-pointer. Okay, next I will for loop K times. First I set temp variable to head next. Since next I will break the head next pointer, so I need to store the next node first. Okay, then I set head next to preview pointer, but preview is not here, so it's no. So head next will be a non-pointer. Okay, next I set preview to head and set head to temp. Okay, now we need to iterate second time. Move temp to head next, then head next point to preview. Then we move preview and head. Okay, next we store head next into temp. Then we set head next to preview, and we move preview and head. Okay, now my iteration finished. Then this is a tail, and I will call recursive function on the head node. So I call recursive function on the remaining nodes in my linked list, and I update my tail next to this new node. Now we get our answer. Like 3 is new head, 3.2.21, 1.2 the remaining nodes. Then I can just return the previous pointer. Previous is our new head. Then it's done. So it's a solution. Yeah, that's it. Thanks.